大家好. So today I have a special friend here, Carmen, and for Chinese New Year's we will make something traditional. What is the dish called?
Is the dessert, which is the sesame rice balls. Okay, so the first thing is to boil the 1 cup of water.
So we just add that, yeah?
Okay, now you make a hole in the middle. Okay, now we add some wheat starch in. So now we add the baking powder. So then we can just put the cling film on and set it on the side for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, now we take a small amount of the paste and then we can roll it like a balls and put it on the side. Take the dough out to the surface so we can start to roll it.
Yep.
So after we rolled it out, and then we can use the knife to cut it into about 12 portions. Before you roll the dough, first we can wet our hands or put some oil in our palms. And then take this. So now we're going to do our last steps on this. We have to just take this one, gently.
I'll join you.
Yeah. Gently dip in the water.
Yeah.
Quick one.
Yeah.
And then we roll it with the sesame. See? Should we go for it?
Yes, let's do this.
Yeah.
Final step.
The oil has to be around 160 degrees. Or if you don't know the degrees, you can use this simple method to test if the oil is hot. Which I do is just put the chopstick in. If you see it's bubbling around the chopstick, it means the oil is ready.
Oh wow, that's
Simple
a
as that.
nice trick. I need to get some more chopsticks.
As long as they're golden, it means they're ready. You don't want to burn them. You want to try?
Yeah, I'd love to. Let's see.